How to download Google Voice app on Android. First of all, open the Play Store on your device. Then tap on the source button at the bottom right corner of the home screen. In the source bar at the top, type Google Voice and tap the source icon. Look for the official Google Voice app by Google LLC and tap on it to open the app page. Next, tap the install button to start downloading the app to your device. Wait for the download and installation to complete. Once installed, open the app and sign in with your Google account. This will link your account to Google Voice and allow you to start using your number for calls, text, and voicemail. Make sure to grant any necessary permissions to app requests such as access to contacts and notifications so that it works properly. Now you know how to download the Google Voice app on Android. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.